It's new moon, but where is the moon? It's here. We can't see it because it's next to the sun, which is much, much brighter than anything else in the sky. Another reason we can't see it is that it's between us and the sun. The bright lit side of the moon is facing away from us. Only the dark, unlit side is facing towards us. So, how does the moon become visible to us? In this video, we'll explain moon phases and show you how the moon's shape and moonrise times change over a lunar month. Every day, the moon rises around 50 minutes later than the day before. A few days after new moon, it rises a few hours after the sun and is almost impossible to see in the bright sky. But as the sun sets, a slender crescent appears. Overall, half of the moon is always in sunlight, half in darkness. As the moon orbits Earth, it changes just how much of the lit up side we can see. A few days later, it rises around midday and is visible in the blue afternoon sky. As seen from Earth, the moon is 90 degrees from the sun and exactly half its face is illuminated. This is the first quarter moon because the moon has gone 1/4 of the way around Earth. So what's next? Stay with us and see what happens to the moon as it travels through its phases. And remember, the moon rises about 50 minutes later each day. About 2 weeks after new moon, it's rising at sunset. Full moon is the only phase where the moon is up for the whole night. The moon is now on the opposite side of the Earth to the sun, and the side facing us is completely lit up. This is the halfway point of the lunar month, and the moon continues to rise later and later. About a week after full moon, the third quarter moon is rising around midnight. As before, half of the moon's face is illuminated, but it's the other way around to the first quarter moon 2 weeks ago. A few days after half moon, it shrinks away again, rising as a thin crescent just before sunrise, and once more it's lost in the glare of the sun. As the moon passes between the Earth and the sun, we're back at new moon again. It's been just over 4 weeks since the last new moon, and the lunar cycle begins again. And now it's over to you. What's your favourite moon phase? A delicate crescent moon, a bright full moon, or a quarter moon against the blue sky? Tell us in the comments below. And one more thing, if you're in the southern hemisphere, the moon appears the other way around and travels in the other direction across the sky. Remember, subscribe so you don't miss out on our videos and live streams of solar and lunar eclipses.